Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I cannot believe how fast time is flying, and once again Google has started rolling out the latest quarterly recap playlist on YouTube Music. So if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using YouTube Music, just to let you know that this is now available, where you can check out your favorite artists and songs over and for the last quarter. Now here we can see it says June, August recap 24. And the quarterly recaps are made up of 50 songs. So these would be your top songs you have been listening to over the last couple of months. And then your yearly recaps, as I've posted previously, are made up of 100 songs. And I actually found these quite interesting. It's always interesting for me to go back and listen to what I was listening to over the last couple of months. And if we just scroll back, I see with this latest quarterly playlist, they have now removed the first yearly playlist that rolled out, which I posted on about 3 years ago, which was the 2021 yearly recap. So now we are starting with the fall recap, winter recap of 2022, spring recap 2022, the yearly recap for 22, and then we've still got the fall recap for 23, winter recap for 23, and then the playlist for 2023, and then we've got the quarterly so far for this year. So it's going to be interesting to see when the yearly recap rolls out what I have been listening to over the course of this last year. Now, because they have removed the first yearly recap 2021, as I mentioned with these quarterly and yearly recaps, if you want to refer back to them, always just save them or add them to your library or create a playlist out of them, because they can get removed. And then if you create a playlist, then obviously if Google does remove this from your recaps, or any of these from the recaps, you've still got the playlist. So that's what I did. So I can still listen to 2021. But nonetheless, here we go. June to August now is available, and just wanted to put it out there if you guys would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.